Hi, my name's Lily from Sharp Shots Photo Club, and today we're going to learn how to take creative portraits. I don't know about you, but I really like taking photographs of people. And when I do, I try not to make them too serious. I like them to be fun, to show a little bit about the person in the picture, and just have a good time, because that always echoes out in the picture in the end, and you can really see it once you look back on them. The key to taking a good portrait is to remember to put your camera on the portrait mode. And this will look like the side view of a person. Generally, usually it's a lady, and quite often it's on the top mode option on the camera or in the scene settings for you to choose. And by choosing this setting, you have the ability to blur the background just a little bit and make sure that your subject, the person, is nice and sharp in the picture. So if you have a look at this photograph here, your portraits don't always have to be in colour. You can try switching it onto black and white, which can work quite well. The photographer here has photographed someone that perhaps is into fashion, so she's got her big sunglasses on, she's got some lovely lipstick and is looking quite serious. So perhaps that's her nature. She's a bit of a serious edge to her. The photographer here has captured their friend in the garden, having a bit of a run, jump and a laugh, it looks like, which is quite nice, really relaxed, quite inspiring, and they're obviously both having fun doing it, which is the main thing. This image here shows you don't always have to be looking at the camera. Quite often I would suggest for my subject to look up, down, away. It gives the photograph a different feel. You can feel perhaps a bit more distant, or you learn a little bit more about what they're wearing. You see a lot here, the lines work really well with the jacket in the background, and you can tell they're in a bit of an urban setting with the 24 going behind as well. If you look at this photograph here, the photographer has entered a prop into the picture, which I think really works well, because we know that this chap likes to probably draw, and you can tell he's quite good at drawing as well. And it adds another layer onto the picture, which makes it a lot more interesting for us as viewers to look at too. And I really like how he's looking and the drawing is looking at us too. The engagement works really well here. And the last photograph I wanted to show you was this image here that looks quite pink. And this is quite a fun way to take a photograph. You introduce a little gel onto the picture, and this is taken from a quality street, which is quite fun. And all you do is put it straight onto the flash, like that, a bit of a rubber band, all the way around it, and voila! You have a nice pink tint to your picture. So my top tips for taking great portraits is to set the camera on portrait mode, set the scene, and to capture the person's personality. Thanks very much for watching, and we'd love it if you could like and subscribe to our Sharp Shots Photo Club YouTube channel. And it'd be wonderful if you could leave us a couple comments, let us know what you think about our portrait top tips. And I'd really like it if you could tag us on Instagram so we can see your portraits and comment back on them as well. Thanks very much, and hope to see you again soon. Bye!